Morning, guys. Welcome to science class. What is an ecosystem? That's our topic for today. Copy the topic, please. What is an ecosystem? This is the information you have to write down in your notebook. Write down the information in your notebook, please. What is an ecosystem?
Copy that, miss.
Yes, that's what I said. An ecosystem is a community.
We need to do a drawing.
No, copy the information. An ecosystem is a community of living.
Language.
No, it's not. It's science. Science. This is science. An ecosystem, again, is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living environment. Environment, okay. This talks about living organisms. Living organisms like plants, animals, and non-living.
Oh, non-living is like things.
The rocks, the soil, water is non-living. Okay, so it's an interaction. An ecosystem is a community of living things. It's an interaction from or between living things and non-living things. That interactions is an ecosystem. That's an ecosystem. There are different kinds of ecosystems. You're gonna copy some examples of ecosystems. Now, what makes up an ecosystem? All living things, plants, animals, and bacteria. See, bacteria are part of the ecosystem. And non-living thing, the sun, the rocks, and the soil. And the soil also. Okay? Diego is, what is an ecosystem is the topic. That's the topic today.
I finished, miss. Your microphone. Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Quickly, because but I am gonna change this, so hurry up, please. And I hope you finish copying. Okay. So, an ecosystem is a community, and that community are in continuous interaction. Interaction between living things and non-living things. And those elements make up an ecosystem. Living things and non-living things.
I'm finished to copy, miss.
Great job. Daniel, do you have problem with your camera? Excellent job. Excellent job. What happened with your camera, Daniel? Or Daniel is in the bathroom? I think Ivana is in the bathroom. Copy, please.
Miss, I finished to copy, Santiago.
Excellent, Santiago. So I hope I will change your mind. I will change your mind about orchestra. Orchestras are
Already finished.
It's a pleasure to listen that kinds of music. Though
How you say
orchestra. Orchestra.
I like a little bit of that, but sometimes.
Well, it depends.
It's too loud.
It depends. No, but it doesn't have to be too loud. You can lower your volume. That's very simple. But I will invite.
That was a volume.
I am doing.
The thing that I don't like is the instruments. Sometimes I don't like that. I like to touch some instrument, but the other instruments no.
But when you listen,
I like the people touching
the instrument. Yeah, but an orchestra doesn't have only violin.
Finish me.
And when you listen, all the instruments playing together is a perfect harmony. It's a perfect harmony. So I will invite you to watch some cartoons like the ones I show you in the afternoon, and listen to the music. Listen to the music.
Miss,
Okay, finish?
we had to copy all.
Yes,
Yes.
everything.
I don't finish to copy.
I finished,
Yes.
Miss.
Okay.
Don't
I will
finish
give you
it.
1 more minute.
Miss, I don't finish.
I am waiting. Copy, please. Now, class. Copy this. Copy. These two concepts. Yeah, these two. Says living and non-living parts of an ecosystem. Okay, an ecosystem has 2 parts. Copy this, please. This is one definition and this is another definition.
Miss, your microphone.
In the drawing we need to do.
No, you don't have to do the drawing.
Miss, your microphone.
Okay, so living and non-living things. There are 2 parts in an ecosystem. Abiotic are non-living elements of the ecosystem, such as the air, the water, nutrients, the temperature. And what gives us temperature, or what does change the temperature? The sun. The heat we receive from the sun changes the temperature of the environment. So the sun or the sunlight is an abiotic element. And the other thing, biotic, are all the living organisms living in the ecosystem, like plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, and also
What's fungi?
fungi are hongos. All los hongos are included in fungi. All types of mushrooms. So todos esos are included in fungi. Let me try to
Poison
find.
mushrooms.
But write fungi. That's the word you have to write. Fungi. Fungi is one of the 5 kingdoms. Fungi. See? Let me show you. Look. Yeah, mushrooms, right? Oh, very nice. They are colorful. You see? Those are fungi. Fungi. That's what it is. There are a wide variety of them. Colors, sizes, shapes. See? It's a wide variety of them. Those are fungi. Fungi. And it's a biotic element because it's alive, can grow, reproduce. And water cannot reproduce. Water makes a cycle, but it's something different, totally different. That's why it's an abiotic element. Did you finish? I have a video. I have a video ready for you.
No, I don't finish me.
No, Miss, I
Okay.
do not finish.
1 more minute.
What?
Excellent job, guys. Continue. Look at this diagram. We have types of ecosystems here. Ecosystem, complex interaction between biotic and abiotic components that maintain the natural balance of Earth. The source of energy in the ecosystem. So we have the abiotic factors, minerals, water, soil, the climate, and the sun. The biotic factors are plants, animals, birds, insects. Decomposers. Decomposers are living things that process dead living things. Dead animal, dead plants are decomposers, like fungi, like bacteria. Bacteria are decomposers porque descomponen los cuerpos muertos y los integran de nuevo al environment. Those are decomposers. Okay, foreign factors, forms of basis of biosphere. See the temperature, the water, volcanoes, earthquakes are foreign factors. Post-great threat to ecosystem. Types of ecosystems or biomes. Aquatic biome, terrestrial is where we live, Atlantic biome. These are kinds of types of ecosystem. Now, let's watch the video. Okay, guys. So look at these pictures and identify the ecosystem. What can you see here according to the information we learned in the video? Ecosystems in here. Okay, let's say that we have a forest. Okay, it could be. What else?
A pond.
A pond. We have a pond.
Kangaroo.
The trees.
The trees, yes. What kinds of animals live on a tree? Birds.
¿Cómo se dice en English? Ardilla.
Squirrel.
A fungi.
A squirrel. Squirrels live on trees.
A fungi.
So the ecosystem or the habitat for those animals is a tree. Look at this rotting log. Rotting log. This one also could be a habitat for many insects. Un árbol caído que está algo ya se está pudriendo. If you lift the rotting log, you're gonna find insects, worms. You can find spiders, probably ants, many things. Look at these termite mounds, termitas. There are thousands of them inside of these mounds. So this is a habitat. This is an ecosystem. Okay. Also, this dry place. This one could be a desert. That's another kind of ecosystem. There are animals that live there. There are some specific plants that can grow there in a desert. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so no homework today. After the second class, you have to do a homework. Show me your notebooks before we leave, please. Cameras on. Show me what you copy, please.
Look.
Miss,
show me what you copy, please. Okay. What problem do you have, Kristen?
Look.
Excellent. The only notebook that I can see is Daniel. Isabella, your notebook?
It's a problem.
Excellent job. See, yeah, I can see. You have a problem, Isabella? Okay, thank you. You can dismiss the class. Isabella, tell me what happened. I love you too. Bye. Bye-bye.